big girl. Well, that is a big girl for a little space. What do we got here, buddy?
Make it over there. That dude looks pretty good. Siren on his bike and he's playing with people. Very nice. I like that.
Right.
Walking back from downtown Sturgis again for our third night. It just don't really get boring. I mean, it's see a lot of the same stuff, but some little different pieces here and there. I mean, tonight we had a nice AC/DC cover band. That was phenomenal. So I mean, totally just walked up on it, and well, you'll see parts in the clip. Can't show it all because of, but I will definitely show as much as I can. Anyways, so far great trip. Ready to come back for next year.
So fun. Yeah, it's been a great trip so far.
I'm just waiting to get back to our car and hope it's still parked where we parked it. You gotta park wherever you can sometimes, and yeah, all's good. So see you tomorrow.
It was a great trip.
We walked around the corner and we seen this big gap. We didn't see no car. We were like, uh-oh. And then we come farther, we see our car, we're like, thank God. We parked next to these cardboard things, and we seen one downtown that had no parking signs posted all over them. It's like, crap, did ours have that? So I was a little worried that we might have no parking signs, but we're all good.